Masjid Wilayah Persekutuan, known in English as the Federal Territory Mosque. This mosque was opened on 25 October 2000 by the then paramount ruler of Malaysia, known as Yang di-Pertuan Agong. This beautiful mosque is located in Selangor, just a 15-minute drive away from the center of Kuala Lumpur. It can hold over 17,000 worshippers. The mosque is distinguishable as having an Ottoman-style architecture, with its main dome and courtyard, reminding us of the many mosques in Istanbul. With its turquoise color and 22 domes, it mimics the Safavid era mosques Iran, while the Grand Iwan remind us of the Indo-Persian mosques. On the perimeter of this mosque, we can find horseshoe arches, which you usually see in Umayyad mosques. This mosque is a truly Malay mosque, incorporating all the Islamic architecture that exists, from the Ottomans to the Safavids, from the Mughals to the Umayyads. This mosque incorporates them all.